been denied for a credit card, again, maybe it's because of past mistakes. Maybe your score's under 600, and now every time you apply, it's the same result. We regret to inform you. But here's the truth. You're not the problem. The system is. Most credit cards are built for people who already have good credit. But what about those of us trying to fix our credit, to rebuild, to start over? Getting a credit card with bad credit shouldn't feel like chasing a miracle. You deserve a chance to prove yourself and finally stop living in fear of your score. That's where SuperMoney comes in. They've built a tool that connects you to real credit card options for people with bad credit. Not junk offers, but cards you actually have a shot at being approved for. Here's why it works. You answer a few questions. You see cards matched to your profile, some with no annual fee, some that help rebuild your score fast, all without wasting time or risking your credit. You're not just applying blind, you're applying smart. So if you're done being denied and ready to take back control of your credit journey, click the link in the description and pinned comment right now. Because everyone deserves a second chance, especially you.